So hey there folks, this is Margaret Klein coming to you live from 3853 San Miguel in Rockledge, Florida, and I am going to take you on a virtual tour of this amazing rental. So let's step right inside and get busy. So we have this 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Check out this gorgeous flooring in here, and right outside that back door, you can kind of see the lake as we walk in. Might be a little harder to see on my camera. So this is our first bedroom right here. We got one bedroom as soon as we walk in the door, right here on the right-hand side. So let's keep cruising along. Here's your formal dining room. As you can see, plenty of space there. So if you have one of those really long, large dining tables, you have plenty of space for that. Another sweep of that living room, and we'll go right into the kitchen here. So we've got your double sink, dishwasher, stove, microwave, tons of cabinet space, as you can see. Lots of cabinet space. And then we do have our pantry right here on the side, so plenty of extra space there. And I was kind of standing in our kitchen table nook there, so as you can see, got your little light and plenty of space for a little breakfast table there. Cruise back around again. And while we're here, we do have an inside laundry room. You got your washer and your dryer here. We've got a shelf up on top for that. So inside laundry. Do have a full 2-car garage here. Got some shelving over on the side there. Typical garage. Cruise back in again. So we had that first bedroom right when we walked in on the right-hand side, and then if we come over here to the back right-hand side, we have our second bedroom. We do have carpet in the bedrooms, but decent sized bedroom there for you. And you've got your guest bath here. So we have the single sink, cabinets, mirror, and then you've got a shower tub combo in here. A view there. This is a little linen closet right here on the side, and then we get into bedroom number 3. Nice lake view out that window there as well. And we will cruise over to your primary bedroom, and this bedroom is a very large bedroom. Plenty of space for king bed, dresser, chest. Lake view out that window there as well. Let me do a little circle here so you can see view of the entire room. And we do have a walk-in closet here. Got our shelving up there. And then into the primary bath, you've got your double sinks, cabinets of course, nice mirror. And see if we can avoid me being in that mirror. And we've got our garden tub on one side, and then our shower on the other side. So you got a nice walk-in shower over there. And nice view from this side out into the bedroom. And we'll cruise back through there. Nice living room view from this side. And we've got a nice screened-in patio out here. Plenty of room for a nice table and chair set. And then we'll take a quick peek out here because this is such a gorgeous view. Imagine sitting out here in your screened-in patio, enjoying your coffee in the morning while looking at your little piece of paradise right out here. So again, we're at 2653 San Miguel in Rockledge, Florida. Zip code's 32955. We are listed at 2650. Again, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. If you'd like to take a look at this property in person, you can call or text anytime. My name again, Margaret Klein, and my number is 321-480-7662. And you have an amazing day. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.